Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing YouTube TV with DirecTV Stream. So as you can see over here, YouTube TV offers a sleek, intuitive interface that's simple to navigate. You can easily search, stream, and record shows that are breeze. So YouTube TV includes 100 plus channels, include your local channels, news, sports, and many more things, all included in a bundle into one price. As you can see over here, you can just simply click on see all channels and you can just go through the list of all the channels they are provided here. Now, if we talk about features and DVR, YouTube TV gives you unlimited DVR storage with up to 9 months of retention. And talking about pricing, as you can see over here, it is currently going on at $82.99 per month for new users only. You can sign up now and save $46 over 2 months. But remember, this offers end at 31st July. So now if we talk about DirecTV, DirecTV Stream feels more like traditional cable. While it's easy to use, it does have more menus. It's a bit more outdated if you say compared to YouTube TV. Now, DirecTV offers 75 plus channels with options like ESPN, AMC, and a lot regional sports networks. But those networks may cost you extra in higher dial plans. If we talk about features in DVR, DirecTV streams offer 20 to 500 hours of DVR based on your plan, but it lacks unlimited storage and doesn't keep recording as long. If you talk about pricing, as you can see over here, DirecTV basically starts at $64.99 per month, but you need to pay more for higher tier plans if you want extra sport channels or features like unlimited DVR. So the extra cost for DirecTV streamers, higher plan means you need to pay more. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing between DirecTV and YouTube TV. Thank you so much for watching.